Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. From this video, I am going to start a course on Swift, and I want you guys to be really concentrated throughout this course because Swift is not a language that you will understand this fast. I'm not saying it is a difficult language, but I'm saying it's different from the language that you might have studied till now. Many of you might be coming from Python, many of you might be coming from C++. Swift is kind of different from them. And in what way it is different, you will understand it in the future tutorials. This is just an introductory video for this course. We are going to cover the latest Swift, which is 5.10. And this is the official website of the Swift. And according to Apple, Swift is a general purpose programming language that's approachable for newcomers and powerful for experts. They say that it is approachable for newcomers, but I want you guys to have some prior knowledge of programming. I will assume that you guys know how to write code in Python, C++, JavaScript, or any other language. It's just that I want you guys to be familiar to programming, because this playlist that I am creating will not be that beginner friendly. Alright. And in the next line, Apple says that it is fast, modern, safe, and a joy to write. And I will completely agree with this joy to write. Because when I studied Swift, I was like, whoa, what is it? It is so interesting to learn. And I will make it interesting for you guys also. Now, main thing, hey Dhruv, what is Swift? You are talking blah 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 about Swift and what you are going to cover in this course, but what exactly is Swift, bro? What exactly is Swift? See, Swift is a programming language that is developed by Apple, mainly keeping the iOS, macOS, watchOS, or any other Apple specific development. See, when in the early days, when, for example, let's say Macintosh and another Apple products used to work, the language which was used for the app development in the Apple environment was Objective-C. But in 2014, Swift was introduced, and now Swift is a industry standard. So you guys need to learn Swift in order to build something for Apple devices, right? So yeah, this was the general info that you needed about Swift. Now, where are we going to run Swift? We will use the IDE that is provided by Apple in order to study Swift, and it is called Xcode. So there are chances that Xcode is pre-installed on your Apple device, but if not, what we can simply do, we can go to App Store and then we can search for Xcode and we can simply download it. It is asking for update. I will update it later, and we can run Swift. Now, hey Dhruv, I don't own an Apple device, but yeah, I am planning to learn iOS app development, and I know that you need a Apple device in order to learn iOS development. So I am planning to buy an Apple device, but I cannot wait till that. I want to start from today. So my friend, you can execute Swift on a Windows laptop or Windows device also. Or what you can do, you can use a online compiler to run Swift. For example, Replit. And now you will ask me, hey Dhruv, right now you said that Swift is for Apple. Swift is for iOS development. How the heck are we running it on our Windows or a cloud service like Replit? So my friend, Swift is a open source language that is made by Apple. So you can use Swift for pretty much anything. You can even develop backend with Swift, or you can use Swift for the front end also. You can use Swift for anything. But the thing it is mainly used for is iOS development. It is open source, so you can run it on pretty much any device. So this was all about the introduction to this series that I am starting. And also, we will talk more about Swift, and we will talk more about Xcode in the future upcoming videos. So I want you guys to stay tuned and wait for the upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching it.